Idioms in English. To put something on hold. To put something on hold. To temporarily defer taking action or to postpone something for a later time. We decided to put the project on hold. We decided to put the project on hold. To knock something on the head. To knock something on the head. To stop doing something or to prevent something from happening. By lunchtime, we were all exhausted, so we knocked it on the head. By lunchtime, we were all exhausted, so we knocked it on the head. To get one's feet wet. To get one's feet wet. To try or experience something different or risky, especially for the first time. She decided to get her feet wet by volunteering at a local charity before coming to a full-time role. She decided to get her feet wet by volunteering at a local charity before coming to a full-time role.